Hey everybody, today I'll be working on replacing the shifter bushing on my daily driver. This is a 2006 Volvo S60 T5 equipped with the M66 manual transmission. If you have a V70R and S60R with a manual transmission, chances are you have the same Spaceball shifter. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is press down on the shift knob and twist it to the left, like this. And then you just pull it up. That was easy to remove, right? Believe it or not, it took me a long time to figure that out. Anyway, now that the shift knob is out of the way, the next step is to fish out whatever remnants there are of the old bushing. Mine was completely disintegrated, and that's why this was flapping as bad as it was. Now that you have a replacement bushing, you're gonna go ahead and simply push it in all the way down until it's installed. There it is, perfect. With the bushing installed, all that's left to do is to put your shift knob back on. You're gonna have to try to line up the slots. You might have a little bit of a hard time doing that, but eventually it'll fall in place. There you go. Now you're gonna push down again and twist to the right. There you have it. Now you can drive your car happily again without all those annoying rattles. More on this car later, guys.